Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the school of life, the school of life for criminals, which is prison. Prison life, prison life. Hey, hi, because I'm prison life. So there's a university of life there. There's a university of prison. Yeah, okay. University of prison is doing great things for music, guys. We must admit. University of Prison is doing great things for Umuzi because tell me why every week he comes out stronger than the last week. Week one, when the 13th, he was, and then the second week, he was, the third week, he was, yabona manje, today, it's the fourth week. Let me check how many weeks did October have? I want to quickly check that because, yeah, 5 weeks. So, okay, week one was the third week of October. Week two, week three, week one, the 13th, he was, yeah, week the 20th, the 27th, yay. Ke namhlanje the 3rd of November, hayi. Uyenza wangithatha la, wangibeka la. Yay, uyenza la nto itshoyo sana. Because tell me, why is this man so strong after everything that he went through? 3 weeks in the witness box, finished 3 weeks now. On this coming weekend, it's going to be a month in the witness box. Muzi. He's still strong, guys. He's still kicking strongly. One thing that makes me do this video is because I'm thinking, I think from the weekend of the 18th, the 19th, because when he came back on the 20th, or the 20th, ne? We came back on the 13th, ne? And the guys did, and then Umshololo started in the 20. Hi, man. Uteng ne 15 days, that was Friday. So siqale nini ku-October kanti nge-6? Manje ngisakhumbuli kahle. Oh yeah, 15 days yakhe ibi Friday nge-31st, sharp. Yes. So uqale nge-13 ne? Then umshololo wamenza yena cross exam kamshololo binge-20 yaqala nekabalo nge-20 up until tell me why the way he was so strong every day. And I was like, strength because he was on another level. Weekend, that week of the 20 to the 24th. He was on another level, like in a way that we have never seen before. And then every day he wakhuphuka njengecobra. Every day bekhuphuka njengecobra. Yay, ebekhuphuka every day. Ngale veki ye-20 uyotsho nge-24. Yabona, and I thought uyakhuphuka. Hayi, kwabakho la weekend ye-25, 26. Yabona la weekend, I don't know what they did to Muzi that weekend. Bamphekile. That is why I'm saying it's either in his cell there is a former prosecutor or a lawyer, even a judge perhaps, or a magistrate, because the way he knows how to answer Baloyi, uyabona, I thought he was doing so well. After that week, last week, I thought he was wow. Namhlanje, guys, yes, sis. Today, he decided, okay, Friday, I said to you, he's being unfair. You said you see nothing wrong. Yes, sis, he was. Uyabona ubaloyi no Judge Ratha, they were spelling unfair ngesiGreek. They were spelling they were using German language, Chinese language, Greek. Yay, the way the guy was dealing with them. I don't know. Muzi is very intelligent, guys. I keep saying this over and over. Muzi is very intelligent. I kid you not. He's very much intelligent. The way he handled himself today. And I like that Muzi is not even good, guys. He's not. He shows up, does his thing, and moves on. She shows up, answer the asket, and moves on. And one thing that he does gracefully, he leaves Baloyi shocked the entire time. And he leaves him hanging because Ubaloyi will be like, okay, let's move from that. Every time Umuzi comes for him, he will be left with nothing to say, and then he jumps to another topic. They will do back and forth in some of them, and then when Muzi decides, let Agade, and this one will move swiftly. Damn! That is why I'm saying prison has the University of Prison is doing wonders for music. Damn it. Jonga, isimfundisa ukuba inja yegame. Awuyinja yegame music fethu. Uyinja yegame. Angifuni nje ukungatsho. The prison life, hayi, imqaqe ingqondo, Nkosi yami, imqaqe ingqondo. Yeah, I think someone said, hey, mawuzolibela kutefa la, ulibele kukumasithangazi, ukhulumela phansi, bazokunyisa laba bantu. You need to speak up. You need to open your mouth. You need to do better. Damn. The guy is doing so well in that stand, guys, in that witness box. I can't get over how it can't be Mrs. Training alone, coaching alone. I think the time for Mrs. Coaching has passed, but the coaching that he receives is out of this world. Because damn it. So I'm saying in a nutshell in this video, prison, Yabona, they heard that the last time he was at school was grade 12. He's got his matric certificate. They were like, let us put you through the University of Prison, and let us put you through the University of dealing with LLB graduates. Damn it! Let's give you skills. Be skillful when it comes. They are giving ufumana on the job training, and uyamsakaza Nkosi yami, uyamsakaza on the job training. This is how in the law fraternity, this is how they do. When they say this, you say this. When they ask you this, you answer like this. When they ask you this, you ask. When they are being sarcastic, you respond like this. When they are being nasty, you take it up a notch. When they're, yes, sis. This guy is so, yeah, Umuzi. I yes him, guys. I've been saying this, but I yes him. He's doing so great. I don't know about you, but I feel like instead of learning criminal activities in that prison where he is, he's learning being smart. He's learning doing things that are going to assist him. No, because tell me, how is it possible that a grade 12 graduate is head to head? Yeah, he's doing head to head with an LLB. This man is being called an advocate by Baloyi, but Muzi, msakaza, no more. Msakaza for no more. Mshiye dizzy all the damn time. Every day I'm sure makayendlini ufuna one ebandayo because le ntwana le. Yes, sis. What are your thoughts about the prison university? It's doing the things, guys. Let's admit. The prison university is doing the things. Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Drop your comments there. Tell me, do you think Umuzi is getting coaching from inside Phakathi in the prison? Because that's what I believe. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Enjoy.